Hey, what's up, guys? Happy January the 21st. Out here in Powder Springs, Cobb County, Georgia area. This is a new client, Mr. and Mrs. Saunders. I came out here about 2-3 weeks ago, gave them a consultation on their floors. They had another company. I'm not going to mention the company's name. They're not really wood floor cleaning companies, but again, guys, a lot of companies, especially locals, they see what I do and they think it's an easy process, and it's not. So this company, Mr. and Mrs. Saunders, said they came out about 3 months ago, did a horrible job on the floors, and I came out here and told them that I could correct the issue. So let me show you guys what I'm doing, and also I went out and did a consultation this morning in Swanee for a flooring company. They installed floors, got glue residue all over it, cannot get the glue off. Went out, showed the client that I can get the glue off, and she was so happy because she did not want to go through replacing the floors again. So I'm going to have that job on the schedule for next week. So guys, let me show you what I'm going to be doing. All right, we are out here in Powder Springs, Georgia, and they said we might get a little snow flurries later on today, and then after we get the first coat down here, we're going to go off in Powder Springs and do another consultation for a new client that called me yesterday, and she's putting her house on the market, and she said, Courtney, if we can save these floors so I don't have to fully sand them. So all we're doing, guys, is this whole living room. I'm gonna zoom in. You can tell they use a horrible finish. Look, see the finish? It kind of got those bubbles, air bubbles. It's a really cheap finish that they use. So they said they did this whole room right here, and then this hallway, and you can see the difference in the hallway. So we're gonna knock all this stuff off the floor, get this floor nice and smooth, and get some nice finish on this floor. So all right, guys. So to show you what we're doing, I'm actually going to get my tripod and set my tripod up, and yeah, so you're going to grab that from tomorrow's perfect. All right, guys, get back to it. Stay tuned. Okay.